Welcome to my channel. Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'll guide you through the complete setup of your TP-Link Wi-Fi range extender step by step. If you're dealing with weak Wi-Fi signals or dead zones, this tutorial will help you extend your coverage and improve your internet connection quickly and easily. Let's get started and get your extender up and running. Method 1. Using the TP-Link Tether app. Download the TP-Link Tether app from Google Play or the Apple App Store. Open the app and scan for your range extender. Select the extender and follow the on-screen instructions to connect it to your router. Set a password for the extender. This will be used for logging into the extender management page. Once configured, connect your devices to the extended Wi-Fi network. SSID may be your original network name with _ext appended. Method 2. Via a web browser. Plug the extender into an electrical outlet near your router and press the power button if it has one. Connect your computer to the extender. Via wireless. Disconnect your Ethernet connection from your computer and connect to the extender's network, e.g. TP-Link_extender or TP-Link_extender_XXXX. Via Ethernet cable, if the extender has an Ethernet port. Disable the Wi-Fi on your computer. Connect your computer to the extender via an Ethernet cable. Launch a web browser and enter http://tplinkrepeater.net or http://192.168.0.254 in the address bar. Create a password to log in. Follow the instructions on the web page to complete the initial configuration. Relocate. To achieve better signal quality, plug in the extender halfway between your router and the Wi-Fi dead zone. Connect your device to the extender using the extended SSID and Wi-Fi password that you've set during the configuration. The default Wi-Fi password is the same as your host network. If you're unable to set up your TP-Link Wi-Fi range extender or need our assistance, then you can reach us. Thank you for watching.